10 interesting facts about penguins.
Number 10.
There are 17 species of penguins, depending on which scientist you ask.
Number 9.
The largest living species of penguins is the emperor penguin. They are about 1.1 meters tall and weigh about 35 kilograms.
Number 8.
1 in 50,000 penguins are born with brown, rather than black plumage.
Number 7.
Penguins have an organ near the eye that filters salt from the water out of their system.
Number 6.
In order to discover that penguins sleep more deeply in the afternoon, scientists crept up on sleeping penguins at different times of the day, and poked them with a stick until they woke up.
Number 5.
The emperor penguin is able to dive to depths of over 500 meters, and stay underwater for up to 27 minutes.
Number 4.
Roles are reversed on emperor penguin. The male incubates the egg, while she goes out to feed.
Number 3.
Penguins don't have teeth. Instead, they have backward-facing fleshy spines that line the inside of their mouths.
Number 2.
Penguins can't taste sweet or savoriness of its marine meals. Only sour and salty ones.
Number 1.
The African penguin is also known as the jackass penguin, due to its donkey-like braying sounds. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Wish you have a nice day.